So I received a question about someone asking for what kind of treatment they should be taking in for drug-resistant bacteria. And this is very common. Kapag lagi kang umiinom ng antibiotic, minsan yung bacteria hindi namamatay. And what happen is that they develop some form of resistance. So, magta-try ka ulit ng antibiotic, hindi na naman sila namamatay, and they just become stronger and stronger. Okay? So, what can you do? The most important plant that you should be taking in if you have drug-resistant bacterial infection is garlic. Garlic is very good, and you can see this with a lot of studies that says that they're very good with different strains of bacteria, particularly Pseudomonas. Lalo na yung Pseudomonas, ang hirap kaya niyan, ano? Lalo na doon sa mga tao na laging nasa hospital and they acquire this infection from the community or from the hospital. So they're very resistant to a lot of antibiotics. Try garlic, okay? What are you supposed to do with garlic? Just eat it. Eat a lot of garlic. Okay? Yung iba kasi nagtatanong pa, paano, gaano ba kadami? As many as you can tolerate. Wala pa akong narinig na namatay na uminom ng garlic. So try garlic if you have a drug-resistant bacterial infection.